Picture this. It's 400 BCE and Persians are storing ice in the desert. How? Imagine a domed building towering over 30 feet tall, made of mud and lime to keep the heat out. Inside, ice, collected in the winter, was stored, sometimes for years. These ancient fridges were so efficient they even kept food cool in scorching summers. And here's the kicker: modern Persians still call refrigerators. This ancient invention proves one thing: human ingenuity is timeless. So next time you open your fridge, give a nod to ancient Persia, the original cool innovators. Leave your comment, like the video, and subscribe now to Extinct Empire for more.